Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the MECCHA Chameleon game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join a server or match within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up MECCHA Chameleon on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, you will see the Create and the Find Server option. If you wish to join a game or server, simply click on the Find Server menu, and now you may join from the public or private servers. If you click on the public server option, you can simply enter your desired name that you would like to use within your game. Once you click on the Search Public Servers option, you will see various different servers. You can click on the Join button at the right side of each of these servers. You may also use the region tag to find the region-specific servers. Now, if you choose the Find Private Server option, then you will need to enter your display name, followed by the server name that you would like to join, and also the password that has been set. Just type in the server password and then click on Search Server. Once you have found it, you can simply click on the Join button in order to join this server and start playing. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a server or match within the MECCHA Chameleon game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.